Two top platforms for legal documents go head-to-head in 2025: Rocket Lawyer versus FormSwift. Which one really delivers? On the left, Rocket Lawyer, the all-in-one legal platform for businesses and individuals. And on the right, FormSwift, fast, affordable legal document creation and editing. Let's skip the buzzwords and focus on what matters most. Value, features, and real support. Each category scores points as we go, and by the end you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. So here's what we're gonna break down: pricing and value, document types and customization, access to legal advice, usability and customer support, and all those bonus business services. Every point, every perk. You ready? Alright, starting off with pricing and value. Rocket Lawyer first. They hook you in with a 7-day free trial, which honestly is kind of nice for test driving the features. Once you're inside though, that subscription starts to feel a little necessary for pretty much anything cool, like unlimited documents, legal advice, and those registered agent discounts. But, and this is a bit of a bummer, there are hidden fees for stuff like EIN filings, and after that trial they kind of auto-subscribe you unless you opt out. Now, FormSwift on the other hand keeps things way more flexible. You can just pay per document if you want, or grab an affordable monthly plan and download like whatever you need. And the fact that you can preview and even edit docs for free before paying. That's pretty sweet, but yeah, if you want unlimited downloads, you'll need their subscription too. So for people who hate surprise costs, FormSwift takes it here. Next up, document types and customization. Rocket Lawyer is kinda the Library of Congress for templates: business, personal, real estate, HR, you name it. Plus, their step-by-step guidance makes filling things out way less scary. They even toss in e-signatures and cloud storage. Only catch: some templates are stuck behind a paywall, and if you're in a super niche category like nonprofits, offerings get a bit thin. With FormSwift, you still get tons of useful templates, especially for business basics, and their document editor is honestly modern and super easy. You can sign electronically right there too, but here, the thing, they mostly stick to templates. If you need legal review or want to get creative, well, you won't really get much help. So Rocket Lawyer definitely wins this round. It's just got more depth. Alright, let's talk legal advice. Rocket Lawyer comes in clutch here, seriously. A direct chat with licensed attorneys, real consultations for new issues, and they'll even review your documents if you need. They might not handle super niche stuff in the basic plan, which, okay, fair, but you're actually talking to a lawyer, not just DIYing blindly. Now, FormSwift, it's all about DIY, no attorney network. No phone-a-friend legal advice, you just get the document builder. If you're cool flying solo, that's fine, but if you need advice, FormSwift's got nothing. This category, it's basically a slam dunk for Rocket Lawyer. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Rocket Lawyer has already served over 25 million users since it launched? Pretty crazy, right? Moving on to usability and customer support. Rocket Lawyer, tons of ways to reach them: live chat, phone, email. If you're impatient, which me too, most docs get sorted out in under 24 hours. The support reps get pretty solid ratings, although unsubscribing is apparently kind of a headache, and some people mention they push upsells a little too hard. With FormSwift, everything's clean and super easy to use. The process is quick, you won't get lost, but support is just meh. No legal professionals, and if things get complex, you might be stuck. So for more safety nets and actual human help, Rocket Lawyer nabs another win here. Last biggie, business services. This is where Rocket Lawyer shows off: LLC and corporation formation, registered agent and EIN help, plus compliance reminders so you don't end up with angry letters from the state. Yeah, extra fees pop up if you want all that stuff, but honestly the all-in-one vibe makes it less stressful. Now, FormSwift is cool for cranking out leases and DAs contracts if you just need a finished doc. But no business formation and definitely zero compliance support. Rocket Lawyer wraps up with the advantage, especially if your business brain needs actual legal backup. So, if you put both Rocket Lawyer and FormSwift on a chart, you'd see Rocket Lawyer pulling ahead in most categories, especially legal advice and business services. FormSwift, no shade, holds its own for price and simplicity, but yeah, the gap in actual legal help is kind of obvious. Alright, final thoughts. If you want one-stop legal help, lawyer conversations, and business compliance reminders, Rocket Lawyer is the way to go. But if you're just after quick, cheap documents, no legal handholding, FormSwift seriously delivers. It all depends on whether you'd rather DIY or get a little extra help. So, need a fast contract or gotta set up your business the right way? Pick what fits your legal comfort zone. And hey, bookmark this comparison so whenever you need legit documents, you know where to start looking.